Hey, welcome back to Hidden Classic Deals. I'm John Statham, and today we're checking out classic cars under $8,000. Some may need a little work, but they all have potential. Let's get started.
1964 Buick Electra 225 convertible. Every once in a while, a classic convertible appears that reminds you why vintage American cars never go out of style. 1964 Buick Electra 225 convertible delivers timeless elegance with plenty of charm, and at $8,000, it offers an exciting opportunity for anyone looking to own a true full-size cruiser. This beautiful classic features a white exterior paired with a black interior, creating a clean and sophisticated appearance. Located in Clarence, New York, it has only 53,000 original miles, and comes with an automatic transmission for easy driving. The seller says it starts right up and drives despite spending several years stored indoors. Mostly original with minimal rust, the car has been well preserved and still shows its authentic character. It could benefit from a little tinkering and a replacement soft top, making it a fun project without being overwhelming. If you've been searching for a vintage convertible that's ready to enjoy while improving over time, this Buick deserves a serious look. 1976 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Nothing beats the feeling of finding a classic that's already eager for the open road. 1976 Chevrolet Malibu Classic combines vintage styling with dependable performance, making it an appealing choice for enthusiasts. Priced at $7,000, this blue-on-blue coupe offers plenty of personality and classic American appeal. Located in Columbia, Maryland, it has 88,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a clean title. The seller notes that the engine runs well and the car is road-ready, so you can enjoy driving it immediately. Corvette rally wheels give it a sporty appearance, while the matching blue interior completes the nostalgic look. The driver's seat has a few small tears, but they don't take away from the overall presentation. Whether you're looking for weekend cruises, local car shows, or a solid entry into the classic car hobby, this Malibu Classic offers a great combination of affordability, style, and usability. It's ready for its next owner to enjoy every mile. 1981 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Some classics don't need flashy modifications to make an impression. 1981 Chevrolet Malibu Classic keeps things simple, with a clean appearance and dependable performance. Offered at $7,000, this black-on-black coupe is a solid choice for anyone wanting an affordable American classic. Located in Bristol, Connecticut, it has 135,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a clean title. According to the seller, the car runs well, features attractive paint, and sits on a nice set of wheels and tires that enhance its overall look. Its straightforward condition makes it easy to enjoy immediately, while leaving room for future upgrades if desired. The seller is requesting cash only with no trades, making the sale simple and direct. Whether you're searching for a comfortable weekend cruiser or a classic daily driver with vintage character, this Malibu delivers solid value at a reasonable price and is ready for someone who appreciates old-school Chevrolet styling. 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe. Some muscle cars quietly earn respect the moment you discover what's under the hood. 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe is one of those rare classics, carrying serious performance credentials for $7,800. Located in Plimpton, Massachusetts, this burgundy coupe features a black bucket seat interior and a factory Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. Under the hood sits a powerful 330 cubic inch V8 producing 320 horsepower, paired with the desirable factory 12-bolt Posey rear end. Power steering and power brakes make driving more enjoyable, while the seller says it runs and drives very well. The interior remains attractive with a nice headliner, although the driver's floor needs a small repair patch. The frame is reported to be solid, making this an excellent candidate for light restoration or immediate enjoyment. Rare factory equipment and classic Oldsmobile performance make this Cutlass an exciting opportunity for collectors and muscle car enthusiasts alike. 1974 Chevrolet Nova. Sometimes the best projects are the ones that already prove they can hit the road. 1974 Chevrolet Nova offers exactly that, making it an appealing classic for enthusiasts who enjoy bringing vintage cars back to their full potential. Priced at $5,800, this Nova represents an affordable way to enter the classic Chevrolet world. Located in Raynham, Massachusetts, it features a dependable 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission and shows just 63,000 miles. The seller says the car runs and drives well while maintaining solid floors and a solid trunk. Bodywork is needed, making it an ideal restoration candidate for someone willing to invest time into improving its appearance. An extra hood and rear bumper are also included, adding extra value for future repairs. If you're searching for a classic project with good mechanical potential and plenty of vintage personality, this Nova deserves serious consideration before someone else grabs it. 1979 Ford LTD 2-door. Classic full-size coupes have a personality that's hard to replace, and 1979 Ford LTD 2-door proves exactly why. Offered for $7,000, this solid American cruiser blends classic comfort with upgraded performance for an enjoyable driving experience. Located in Binghamton, New York, it features a green exterior and matching green interior with only 69,000 miles showing. The original engine has been replaced with a healthy 302 V8 paired to a dependable C4 automatic transmission, giving the car reliable power without the unwanted AOD setup. According to the seller, it starts easily and runs great every time while driving exceptionally well. Although Facebook incorrectly labels it as a GT, this is actually a classic LTD 2-door that's become increasingly difficult to find in such solid condition. Whether you're looking for weekend cruises or a unique collector car, this Ford delivers classic style, dependable performance, and plenty of nostalgic appeal. 1972 Dodge Dart Aero Sedan. Every restoration begins with a solid opportunity, and 1972 Dodge Dart Aero Sedan is waiting for someone ready to bring it back to life. With an asking price of only $2,200, this classic Mopar offers an affordable entry into vintage car ownership. Located in Centerville, Massachusetts, it comes equipped with the legendary 225/6 engine, automatic transmission, and shows 70,337 miles. Although it currently isn't running, it cranks with a battery booster and already has a new fuel tank installed. The car remains mostly original, complete with factory hubcaps, chrome trim, and many original components. Rust is present in the lower fenders and rocker panels, but it still offers strong restoration potential for anyone who appreciates classic Dodge styling. Whether you plan to restore the dependable Slant 6 or perform an engine swap, this Dart provides an excellent foundation for your next automotive project at an attractive budget-friendly price. 1968 Buick Skylark Coupe. Some barn finds instantly spark excitement, and 1968 Buick Skylark Coupe is exactly that kind of discovery. Offered at $7,000, this all-original classic presents an outstanding opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. Located on Long Island, New York, it has only 72,000 miles and features an automatic transmission with a factory 350 engine. The seller explains that the car remained untouched inside a garage for more than 25 years, preserving its remarkably straight body. Although the engine is currently locked and one brake line is broken, the body reportedly needs no repair, making it an ideal mechanical restoration project. Even the original hubcaps remain with the car, highlighting its authentic originality. Finding a Skylark this complete and structurally clean has become increasingly difficult, especially within this price range. If you've been searching for a genuine classic with enormous restoration potential, this Buick deserves serious attention before another enthusiast claims it. 1952 Ford Customline. Every vintage car has a story, but 1952 Ford Customline has already spent time on television and movie screens before finding its next owner. Priced at $7,500, this unique classic combines history, personality, and dependable flathead V8 performance. Located in Saddlebrook, New Jersey, it shows 63,792 miles and features a green exterior with matching green interior. Upgrades include a Petromix electronic ignition, custom true dual exhaust, and headers that enhance the legendary flathead engine. The repaint still looks attractive despite minor imperfections, while the refreshed headliner and well-preserved interior maintain its classic charm. The carburetor could use rebuilding, but the seller confirms it still runs and drives. Some chrome flaking and a small crack in the passenger door glass are noted, adding honesty to the listing. Overall, this Ford offers vintage character, movie history, and enjoyable cruising potential at an approachable price. 1962 Chevrolet Corvair. Every classic has its own personality, and 1962 Chevrolet Corvair stands apart with its unique engineering and unmistakable style. Offered for $5,600, this vintage Chevrolet provides an affordable opportunity to own one of America's most distinctive classics. Located in Myerstown, Pennsylvania, the car is described as being in good condition and features an automatic transmission for relaxed driving. Both carburetors have been professionally rebuilt, while an electric fuel pump and upgraded ignition coil have already been installed to improve reliability. The seller also notes that the car remains very clean, reflecting careful ownership over the years. Its compact design, air-cooled heritage, and unmistakable styling continue to attract collectors who appreciate something different from the typical muscle car. Whether you're looking for a conversation piece at local car shows or simply want an enjoyable vintage cruiser with unique character, this Corvair is well worth adding to your classic car shortlist.